YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Back to bring you another review, back to bring you another early review as well. This pair, shout out to Unbreakable Kicks for throwing me the oop on this pair by way of Fine Line 1721. This shoe doesn't drop until I believe October 12th. So we're getting an early review. So in this video, definitely gonna give you an on foot. We're gonna do a detailed review and also how I style, this pair. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and try to jump right into the review and unbox this shoe. Get your trusty blade out. Yeah, so this shoe, man, I don't know if this is gonna be a limited pair or not. And this is one of the shoes that was on my list for the year that I was really anticipating copping. And once I saw the Unbreakable had pairs, I jumped on it. I couldn't, I didn't want to risk, not being able to cop this pair when they do release. I don't know, I'm not sure where they're gonna release right now. I'm not sure if they're gonna release on the sneakers app or in your neighborhood, stores, things of that nature. But apparently Chicago got pairs, mom and pop shops, you know what I'm saying? Fine Line. You make sure your package is secure, I'll tell you that. All right, cool. There we go. There you have it. Cool, nice box. So let's get into this review of the Air Jordan 1 Low Howard Universities. All right, so let's start off with the box. Got your sail type of box, not really white, it's kind of like sail, standard Jordan 1 box. As you can see, got all your Nike brandings on the box. Back of the box, of course, sizing label reads Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG Summit White Gem Red. This is a size 10. Of course, I wear a size 10 in all my Jordan 1s. Flip the lid. You should have a stamp right there. Got your swoosh. The word written out in swoosh. And your box dimensions. Back of the lid. Let's pull the shoes out. Will come with one set of tissue paper. Nothing inside the box except your box dimensions there. And yeah, that's pretty much it with the box. Now let's get into the shoes. All right, pretty clean, man, I must say. And we'll get into the materials and things of that nature, but let's start off with the outsole. You got your navy blue outsole, standard herringbone traction with your Nike in the middle. Move to the midsole of the shoe, got that sail midsole. And I don't know if they should have went with just white and kept everything white, if that would have looked better instead of sail, but it is what it is. Move to the upper of the shoe, you got your white side panels on the lateral side of the shoe. Got your Nike swoosh in that navy, going around the toe cap and the eyelids of the shoe in that navy. This is a nice feature right here, and I think this will make the shoe pop. You got that red check, small check right there on the toe cap. Move to the heel of the shoe, you got that gem red on the back. You got the Wings logo in that blue, and it's actually stitched in to the leather, so that gives it a nice touch, and it really does make it pop the way this blue pops off with the stitching material that they used. Move to the medial side of the shoe, same as the lateral. I got a little stain right here, but it's all good. White side panel, navy swoosh, navy toe cap eyelets. Move to the front of the shoe. Got your white toe box. Looks like sail laces here. You got that off-colored tongue with looks like a white tab in the back with your red Nike Air. This does come with shoe paper. Look at the inside of the shoe. You got that Nike Air in red with that blue insole, size and tag right there. And for the sock liner, it's like a silky type smooth material, as you can see here, which I think that was a nice touch too. It should add for some comfort as well. And these laces, they're not like your standard, you know, rope laces or standard laces that we normally get. These feel like they almost feel like they got a waxy coating on them, almost like the laces you get with the Travis Scott lows, but it's not really. So, I mean, if you get a pair, you know what I'm talking about. They're kind of stiff and they feel like they do have some type of coating on top of the laces. Back of the tongue, you know, Nike branding, made in China. Have anything under the tab? Yeah, underneath the tab, you have some numbers there as well if you want to legit check your pairs. And that's pretty much it with the shoe. That's pretty much it. You know, it's a Jordan 1 low, not much to go over with that. I will say on the right side, the right shoe, same as the left shoe, all the way around, but you do get extra laces with this pair. So it do come with a standard pair of navy blue laces. So that's cool. Definitely gonna do it, probably a lace swap, show you how both laces look in the shoe. But yeah, so let me hop back in front of the camera, give you my honest opinion and thoughts. And oh, before we do that, let me just show you up and close, like, you know, how the leather is, like the leather quality. If you can see, I mean, this is plush. The leather is good on here, and you can see it's actually tumbled as well. The side panel, not so much, but the swoosh, the back tab, and the navy blue going around the toe cap and the eyelets of the shoe, all tumbled leather, as you can see. And you can see again, once again, how plush it is. This is some good leather they got on this shoe. They did this one right, for sure. Good job, Nike. All right, so let me hop back in front of the camera. Let me give you my honest thoughts and how I style, and hit you with the on foot, and we'll go from there. Okay, so that was the review of the Jordan 1 Low, Howard Universities. Tell me what your thoughts are down in the comment section below. Are you rocking with this pair? Are you gonna go for a pair when they release? You know, or are you done with Jordan 1 Lows? I think, you know, from a material standpoint, from a color blocking standpoint, just the overall, you know, just the way the shoe looks and how they put, you know, all the different color blockers on it. I think this is should be on your cop list. I mean, this is a nice shoe. And here's the thing, we don't know how limited this pair is gonna be. You know, I heard rumors that, you know, once we get a shoe or a low with that Nike check, a small check in the front on shoes, that they make them pretty limited, but we don't know. I think this is a dope shoe. I am pleasantly surprised of how these turned out. So I'm eager to put them on foot as well. So how I style this shoe, basically, I basically got a Howard University Jordan collab shirt on, all white with the HU on the front. It's got family across the midsection with the red Jumpman. On the left hand side, on the bottom, you got the Jumpman tag with the Howard University. On the back of the shirt, it's got Meet Me in a Yard. It's got different accolades from all the years from Howard University. On the bottom, it says Homecoming 2022. I paired it with, again, the Shark Nike basketball shorts that are red, black, and got hits of gray. Got Shark on the left side of the leg with the basketball underneath with the logo. I paired it with some blue, white, and red Nike socks that I think will hit off the shoe perfectly. And yeah, so that's how I style the shoe. You know, let me know your thoughts down below if this is a fit that you can see yourself rocking, if I styled it correctly or not. Give me my fit checks. Don't take too much more of your time. I want to hop straight into the on foot because I am eager to put this shoe on foot. So we do have reviews coming all week. I got a video that I'm working on. I'm gonna label it a Kobe haul because I got all four, well, not all the Kobes. I didn't get the gray or the blue ones, but I do have most of the Kobes, and I got the hoodies and things of that nature. So I'm gonna do a whole big video on that Kobe haul. So we're gonna do it all in one shot. So stay tuned for that. Got a couple more videos coming this week. I got the bike airs that are coming as well. So, you know, I appreciate once again all the support. Thank you for tuning in. If you're stopping back by, if you're OG, I appreciate you. You're new, welcome to the channel. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share the channel. And until the next review, Stay tuned for the on foot, and I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.